So this is a boat that came in. I got it out of the woods. Not sure how long it's been sitting there or why it was parked. But we said we'd do a diagnostic on it and just look around and try to figure out where this project is going. We couldn't tell if they were taking the boat apart and taking parts off of it or putting it back together. It's really hard to tell. By the way, there's a hot foot down there. The throttle, I'm not quite sure how that's set up. The seats are awful. The floor, it seems to be okay. Steering is disconnected. And missing the little cross member bracket to connect them together. Fuel pump's off of it. Fuel pump and the bracket. The wiring's been compromised some. Thought this was quite fun. That's the starter wire that they just pulled out of there and went straight into the harness. So that tells me there's something going on with the plug. Cover for the trim's off. It does turn over. It doesn't have spark. We just finished doing the spark check. Don't know why. Funny thing is the compression's a little off. They had 95, 115, 110, and that's what those were. And then the side that came in lower, they decided to scratch off. So they scratched off that compression. That looks like it might have been an 80, or I'm not quite sure. And that says 80 right there. So they scratched off the low compression and left the high ones on the block. Up, no lower unit. One of the coils are cracked. Automotive spark plug wires. Wiring's in bad shape. Oh, that power head was put in there because the power head numbers don't match the transom assembly. That bracket's about ready to fall off of there. It's all the way up and doesn't have a nut on the bottom. Fuel sample is that over there. It looks like, I can't tell you what it looks like, but it's not gas. But that's our diagnostic. Which way to go on this one's anyone's guess. Turns over and the trim works is what we found.